Hello everybody, my name is Leonardo Barrionuevo and today with Miriam we are going to be working in Vai-Ven exercise. This is not very much for social dancing. Actually you will see this step in many choreographies and it's a simple step, it's nothing complicated. But if you dance in a group, in a tango team or things like that, it's a step that you will use a lot. So it's to change front. But today we are going to be using it in order to be able to rotate and change the angle, which changing of angles we use it very much at the milonga. We are not going to be at the milonga dance, we are not going to be going back against the line of dance, but this exercise will help us to rotate in case we need it. Yes? Okay, without further ado, let's jump into the exercise. Okay, first of all, we are going to walk you throughout the step. We're going to do the whole figure and then we are going to jump into the details and how we do this.
This one is Vai-Ven step, change of front and direction, and I will explain first the latest step. We're going to start with the right leg on salida, side step, change body weight, and we collect first to go back with the left, kind of long step. Right leg goes between his legs, left. On feet together we change body weight to start all over again with the left leg. So we go back, front, changing the direction with the right, side step with the left, feet together to change body weight, and from here we go back with the left, back with the right, and to the resolution and feet together.
Now it's our turn, guys, so let's do this. We are going to start up with salida, which is left leg to the side, and we are going to do it a little larger than her so we can walk outside. Right goes front, left goes sideways around her, rotating, right goes a little bit back so we can change body weight. We'll repeat, right goes front, surrounding her, left goes around, pull with your right elbow to lift and change body weight to your left. We go for the resolution with the right, left in front of her, pulling to the right and feet together to resolve.
Okay, let's explain some details important for the ladies. I'm watching the video here, so going to the back, if you notice this kind of large step, try to open your right shoulder when you move the left leg back. So the right shoulder will connect you with the leader, which is he's walking on your right side. So after that, we are going to feet together to change body weight, keep the feet very together, to go one more time with the left back, and the right leg goes a little bit between his leg, because when your right leg is moving forward is when the leader changes the front or the direction. And then we do side step again and feet together. On feet together, most of the time he's changing body weight, so keep your feet and knees very together and extend the legs. You want to grow taller when your feet together, you don't want to go down when your feet are in close position. So after that, keep the connection with the leader, keep the frame, always right shoulder is a little more open, and we go from here to the resolution. If you notice, first step and resolution, we try to keep one leg behind the other one. We try to keep the T position. There are T, like T position. So we don't have the feet really one side on the other. Is one leg, in this case on the salida, is right leg is on the floor and left is going to be back, making the T position, which is very nice style for the ladies.
So now the detail for us leaders, and I will scroll through the video. We set up to the side step. Normally what we do here is we are going to use our rib cage to lift her a little bit so we are present when we are doing that side step. It has to be with much more confidence, and we are telling her that we are here to support you. It's not just a weak side step. So from here we go front step with the right. And at the same time we pivot on the right leg, we are going to pull with your right shoulder blade. Yes, so we can rotate without pushing with the left. Yes, so we do a side step, keep pulling with your right shoulder, and at this time I'm lifting my right shoulder, rib cage actually, and tilting towards our left. If you notice, we are doing a little bit to the left, so we can change her body weight. Yes, without lifting the elbow. That's very, very important thing. So from here, we are going to change body weight, lower a little bit the position, so you will see that we have the leg first. Right leg goes first, front. Side step, pivoting on your right leg and going around her, pulling with your right shoulder blade. From here, lift, change body weight again, lower, that's very, very important, with decision and getting closer into the embrace. Yes, so you can reconnect at that moment. We go front with the left, and at this moment, a little tip for the leaders, we pull a little bit with the right elbow, bringing her into her side step without pushing again with the left, like sometimes that happen. We are going to pull and lift so she can send the leg first. Yes, and that way we can lift, rise our level, and we can change 2 feet together and start all over again.
So that's it for today.
Make sure to stay tuned in the channel so you see new updates coming.
And subscribe to our channel.
Yes. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next week.
Yes.